How to change the year on Google Earth. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. First and foremost, launch a Google Earth in your mobile device. With an update, you won't be able to add a particular year or a date. However, you can still go ahead and check out the progress according to the time. For this, tap on the layer icon that is present at the top right corner. From here, you will see the time-lapse option. Just tap on it to toggle it on. After which, you will see that the years at the bottom are changing, and you can also find some of the changes throughout the year in the certain area that you selected. If you want to go ahead and check out for a while, you can even tap on the pause button. After which, you can go ahead and check out for the updates or any changes. You can also adjust the playback speed as well. So that is how you can check for the Earth according to a particular time year. That sums up the tutorial as well. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you.